welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today we are going to be talking about the Zoya Rose Palette collection. This is not their fall collection, but it is for fall, so just sort of an extra collection they decided to release. This is all rosy tones. It's a monochromatic color palette. There are 5 polishes. On the website there are multiple bundle options, so if you want the bundle with the Hot Lips balm and also 6 Z-wide brushes, you can get that for $59. There's a bundle with the 5 polishes, the Hot Lips balm, 6 Z-wide brushes, and a big flipper Zoya Remove, the best nail polish remover around. There's a bundle with the 5 polishes, the Hot Lips, the Zoya Remove, and then you also get the Rescue and Repair kit. And then there is another bundle where you can just add 6 additional polishes of your choice and then get everything that I already mentioned. So Zoya did send this collection to me for review, which is always very pleasing. I am full on like rose monochromatic today. Well, not monochromatic, but I'm full on rose today. I'm wearing all the polishes as a Skittle manicure. The berries, it's fall, you know, I guess I'm going to accept it. There are 5 polishes and let's get to the swatches. The first polish is called Palmer. This is described as a brilliant blush cream, which is very difficult to say. This one covers in 2 coats. I guess I should say before I forget, because I almost always do. They did send some Z-wide brushes with this collection, and I did use the Z-wide brush for my application. Since that is a wider paddle brush, I do think that you get better coverage with those. So these swatches are shown with the Z-wide brush, and they're also shown with a glossy top coat. Before I forget, because I almost always do forget to say that. Palmer has a great formula. It covers in 2 coats. It's a very pinky blush cream color, and there are no issues with the formula. 2 coats of Palmer. The next polish is called Marsha. This is described as a warm French rose cream. Here's the thing about this color palette. If these individual colors were in any other collection, they wouldn't be my favorite. Not because I dislike the colors, but I'm just, you know, like a blues, greens kind of gal. But together, I love these together. I don't know what it is about putting 5 of these as a collection that just makes me so happy. I guess it's the monochromaticness of it all, but I really enjoyed all of these colors. Marcia is a beautiful fall blush cream polish. It looks so nice. All these colors look so nice together that I was pretty excited as I was watching this collection. Which is not something I typically think about blushes and berries and things like that. So that's 2 coats of Marcia. The next polish is called Maggie, and this is described as a Persian red cream. This is a beautiful red cream. It has a fabulous formula. I was able to wear this in 1 coat and I think it looks completely opaque. I did use the Z-wide brush, so if you're using a regular brush, for whatever reason, if you don't like the Z-wide brush or you just don't feel like buying the Z-wide brush, you might need 2 for this, but with the wider paddle brush, I was able to get this opaque in 1 coat, and you just cannot ever be mad at that. So that is 1 coat of Maggie. The next polish is called Rochelle, and this is described as a deepened maroon red cream. Again, beautiful formula on this. This is a 1 to 2 coat. 2 of my nails were opaque in 1 coat, and 2 of my nails needed 2 coats. As I have mentioned ad nauseum, I have ridges in my nails, so if you have ridges in your nails, you're probably going to need the 2nd coat, but my 2 nails that don't have ridges were opaque in 1 coat, so depending on the condition of your nails, 1 to 2 coats of Rochelle. And then the last polish is called Susie, and this is described as a dark cherry red cream. This one covered in 2 coats. It was almost like not a jelly, but it was definitely more sheer on the first coat than I was expecting, just based on how the other polishes had swatched. No issues with the formula, but it was just a little more sheer than I was expecting. However, it built up to opacity in 2 coats with no problem. It's a beautiful color. I just was not expecting the crelliness, I guess, of it, and instead of it being a full-on cream polish. That's 2 coats of Suzie. This collection is available now on the Zoya website. I was also very excited to try the hot lips because I had never tried the hot lips before. And this color is called Starlit. And first of all, it smells like Double Bubble. It smells so good. It's not sticky, it's maybe a little bit tacky. I also didn't put a ton of it on. That is what I'm wearing right now. And I just put it on before I started filming, so I don't know about wear time. I think wear time for a gloss is like a confusing thing to mention because everyone, I think wear time for anything in general is a little confusing because everyone's skin and nails and everything reacts to different products in different ways. But anyway, it's comfortable, it's not sticky. I don't smell Double Bubble as I'm wearing it, but that would be amazing because, man, Double Bubble. So good. They did also send the Rescue and Repair Kit. I have used this before. I have a reel using this on my Instagram. In the reel, I mentioned that you buff your nails. I was removing gel nails. You don't normally need to buff your nails. So that is slightly incorrect, but I needed to because my nails were rough. Since I already have this, I am going to give this away to someone. All you need to do is just leave a comment and have a US mailing address, and of course be subscribed to the channel, and I'll pick a winner in like a week or 2. I'll put the date in the description box. I don't know what date I'm going to pick a winner yet, but I'll pick a winner for this. It comes with the Rescue Serum, the Repair Base, and then a nail file and an orange stick. It's adorable little bag for keeping all this stuff. And then you can add, any nail tools, things that you would like if you want to keep the top coat in here, things like that. So I will pass this on to someone since I have it. That info is listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Are you loving the additional monochromatic vibes here? I think that's kind of cool if they did like a green version of this. If this is something they're gonna do in the future, I mean, sign me up for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video.